we ride tonight, I'ma show you the ropes. I'ma roll this week.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toyé, and today I'll be telling you guys 7 tips to help you get glowing skin. So after I give you my 7 tips, then I will go straight into a demo for you guys. So the first thing is my products, because you know that's always number one. So I have 3 skincare products of my line made by SOMI, and the first thing is a cleanser. So the cleanser, the oats milk and honey African black soap cleanser. Look at that. The African black soap cleanser has black soap in it, obviously, oats milk and honey complex, aloe vera, castor oil, and vegetable glycerin. It's very moisturizing. It helps clear up any skin conditions. It helps clear up rashes, acne, rosacea, psoriasis, eczema, and also it helps to fade dark marks. So I struggle with post-inflammatory scarring or hyperpigmentation, and this cleanser helps to fade all your dark marks and get rid of all your skin conditions. Second, I have the toner. This, let me see. The Botanically Balanced Facial Toner is very moisturizing. It's very anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, and it's gonna help to moisturize or rehydrate your skin after cleansing. And lastly, there is the Shea Me Up Whipped Shea Butter. Now this doesn't just have shea butter in it. This has 6 different ingredients that aid in moisturizing, hydrating your skin, sealing in moisture, and it also can be used on hair. So my second tip for glowing skin is masking. So I do 2 masks. I generally only do 2 masks. I don't have all these different kind of masks that I always put on. I have a pore cleansing one, like a deep cleansing one for pores, and I have a hydrating, moisturizing one. So my first one is the apple cider vinegar and the bentonite clay mask. This right here is like the ultimate. Like I said, it's the world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing, the ultimate like face mask. Like this right here, when you pair it with the apple cider vinegar, your pores will be sucked dry of any oil, any bacteria, any debris that could possibly be stuck in there. And I do this once or twice a week. It just depends on how my skin is feeling like, but I generally do this very, very often. So I'll demo you guys how I do the measurements or whatever and how I apply it, but this is my top favorite mask in the world, and I've been doing this for like 5 or 6 or 7 years, literally. And then my second mask that I always do is just a straight up honey. I always use plant-based, or not plant-based, I'm tripping. Organic honey. I don't use a Walmart brand or any other brand. I go to GNC or Vitamin Shop and I get honey like this. So it's 100% pure raw honey, non-GMO, kosher, and vegetable or vegetarian, my bad. So this is like only for my skin. I have one for consumption, and I have one for my skin and my hair. This one is for my skin and my hair. So I usually will just go straight in there and I'll dip my finger in there or whatever I'm using, and I will apply it straight to my face. So that's the number 2 tip. This third one, I ain't want to tell y'all because it's kind of a secret, but I ain't gonna do y'all like that. This third one right here is game changing. Like, y'all, it's gonna seem crazy if you're not really hip to skincare like in real life, but I shave my face. Yes, I shave my face. It is like a DIY dermaplaning session that I give myself, and I only do it like about every 3 to 4 weeks. I don't do it all the time, And I do not do it when I have active acne or any type of rashes or skin abrasions or inflammatory lesions, or I don't do it during those times because I don't want to make it worse. So literally all I do is just cleanse my skin. I'll go on with rubbing alcohol so that I don't, so there's no bacteria left on my skin or limited bacteria left on my skin. And I literally just go around and I shave my face. I don't shave everywhere on my face, so I don't shave like in between here or like by my eye area, obviously, but I will just pull my skin like this, take the shaver, and literally just go all the way around until I'm done. And y'all, when I'm done with this session, my skin is always so smooth. It's brighter. My skin products penetrate deeper. My pigmentation looks a little bit lighter. The top layer of dead skin is always sloughed off, so I don't have any dead skin visible on my skin, and my skin just glows. And when I'm done with that, I always rinse it one more time with cool water, going with the toner, and then I will also do a hydrating mask, which is, like I said, the honey again. So I always do that like once or twice a month. Well, not twice, I say once a month. And it is game changing for my skin, y'all. Listen, I'm trying to tell y'all. My fourth tip for glowing skin is supplements. I take every single day a multivitamin, and then also a probiotic. Now these two right here are my holy grail. I generally go to GNC because I have a GNC membership and I get these supplements. I have a hair, skin, and nails one too, but I generally only use that when I run out of my multivitamin, or if I just forget to take it, I'll take the hair, skin, and nail ones at that time. So this one is just a woman's ultra mega dietary supplement, and it says it's a clinically studied multivitamin with antioxidants, immune support, and beauty benefits. Second one is the probiotic complex. It's just a daily probiotic, and it has 10 billion active cultures of 8 unique strands, including clinically studied probiotics, and it may provide digestive and immune support. That's what these are. That's my fourth tip for glowing skin. My fifth tip for glowing skin is water. Y'all, if y'all want y'all skin to glow, y'all need to consume more water. And I drink water all the time. I mean, all the time. All I do is I get some water from the gas station or the store, and I drink it. I drink one of these per day, or 1.5 if I'm thirsty. And I'm not crazy about the most organic water or whatever, but I really just get some water from the store and I just drink it every day. And I mean, that's a pretty easy tip right there. Just drink and consume more water. This is a gallon, and so I drink about a gallon a day of water. So that's pretty easy. So my sixth tip for glowing skin is exercise. I struggle with being consistent with exercising. It's not easy to do, but when I start seeing the benefits, it gets me more dedicated and more focused on exercising. When you exercise, your blood flow gets going, and it just makes your skin glow. I mean, just a little tingly feeling in your skin just be glowing. And plus, your waist be snatched, so why wouldn't you want to exercise? So the last tip for glowing skin is mind the business that pays you. If you're not getting paid, don't mind it. I'm telling you guys, when y'all be ordering these products, I swear my skin glow a little bit more because I minded the business that pays me. So you mind the business that pays you, and your skin will glow. So get you a little hustle or whatever you do to get some money. And when you get paid, you will see your skin will start glowing. So that's it. Mind the business that pays you. And that wraps up my 7 tips for glowing skin. Thank you for listening this far. And the most important part, which y'all probably want to see anyway, is a demo. That's the fun part. So I will go and I'll demo, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please thumbs up, please subscribe, y'all. Don't play me, don't act funny. Don't be acting like you don't want to show me no props. If you like the video, just share it. Share it, thumb it up, subscribe, and help me get to my goal. All right? All right, see you guys later. Mwah.